What to do with worn cylinders, barrels, pipes and shafts in the factory. Laser cladding technology easily handles the repair and strengthening of such workpieces. It's an efficient industrial surface treatment technology. It uses high-energy lasers to clad metal powder on workpiece surfaces, forming a firmly bonded wear and corrosion-resistant coating, which restores the performance of worn old workpieces and protects new ones, extending service life from the root, especially for cylinders, barrels, pipes and shafts. It can precisely repair and strengthen both inner surface scratches and corrosion, and outer surface wear defect, perfectly meeting the core processing needs of industrial production. Eurasia Moschinan GmbH is deeply engaged in the R&D and supply of processing equipment for such workpieces. Our equipment can flexibly process the internal and external surfaces of various cylinders, barrels, pipes and shafts, whether it's conventional standard parts, extra long parts with special sizes or non-standard parts with complex shapes. It can achieve stable and precise cladding processing, fully meeting diverse industrial production and processing needs. Choose Eurasia Moschinan GmbH for more professional cladding processing of cylinders, barrels, pipes and shafts. Welcome to consult and cooperate.